Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll continue with the task 2 in lab 6. So we'll create an Amazon S3 bucket. So you can go to all services and you can also search here, and I'll be choosing S3 from the recently visited. Okay, so click on buckets and you can click on create bucket. Okay, so this bucket name should be unique globally. So you can, so I'll be providing bucket name and choose the AWS region. So I'm leaving it with US West 2. Okay, and leave the other options default and click create bucket. Okay, so we have created the Amazon S3 bucket with a default configuration. And next we'll configure the S3 bucket for public access. Okay, so here you can choose the newly created bucket and go to the permissions tab. So here block public access. So by default it will block all the public access, and you can click on edit. Okay, here you can see block all public accesses, and I'm going to uncheck this and save changes. Here you need to type confirm. Okay, so we have removed the block on all public access policies for the bucket that we created, and now we are able to create access policy for the bucket which will allow public access. But the public, the bucket is currently not public, but anyone with the appropriate permission can grant public access to the object stored within the bucket. Okay, so now let's configure a public read policy for the bucket that we created. Okay, so under the permissions, let's go to the bucket policy, and we can click on edit. Okay, here you see the bucket ARN. I'm just copied it. Okay, so I'm putting this JSON script in this text editor, and here I'll be replacing the resource ARN that I just copied previously. Okay, and slash star, so that it will be applied to all the buckets. And you can scroll down, save changes. Okay, successfully edited bucket policy. And you can see that there is a red warning, it is public. Okay, next in task 4, we'll upload an object into the bucket and test the public access. So here let's create a new folder in the bucket. So you can choose the object tab, and here you can click on create folder. Okay, and you can enter the folder name images and leave the other options default and create folder. And next we'll put some object into the folder. Okay, next we'll upload some object to the bucket. So let's open this images and click on upload and click on add files. So you can add an image. Okay, and click on upload. Okay, so the upload succeeded. So next we'll test the public access to the object. Okay, so here under the files and folders, you can click on this link, and a page with the details about the Amazon S3 object will be displayed here. So here you see the object URL. Okay, so here you can find this object URL and you can click on this. So here you can see the image that we have uploaded. Okay, you can copy this and put it in this new. Okay, here you can see that the URL which is coming from the S3. Okay, so we have created S3 bucket and uploaded an object and then tested that the object could be retrieved from the S3 URL. Okay, so next in task 5, we'll add the bucket as an additional origin to the distribution. So here we'll add the S3 bucket that we created as a new origin to the existing CloudFront distribution. So let's create a new origin and OAI. Okay, so let's go to the CloudFront. Okay, so here we have the distributions. This is the CloudFront distribution which is available. Okay, so here click on the Origins tab and here click Create Origin. Okay, so here under the origin domain, we can choose the bucket that we have created, ACG-bucket-965, which is the S3 bucket that we have created. And you can leave the origin path empty. And for the name, we can put something like this. My Amazon S3 origin. And for origin access, let's select the legacy access identities and create new OAI. Okay, so here you can see that the message box origin access identity. Here you can put S3 OAI and click on create. Okay, and bucket policy will choose no. I will update the bucket policy and create origin. Okay, so here we get this distribution page. Next, we will create a new behavior for the Amazon S3 origin. You can click on the behaviors tab and click on create behavior, and the path pattern you can put something like this: images slash star dot and the extension of the image. So JPG. Okay, and origin and origin groups. Here you can choose my Amazon S3 origin. Okay, and can leave the other options default. Okay, enter catch key and origin request. You can keep this selected: catch policy and origin request policy recommended. And for catch policy, ensure catching optimized is selected, and then leave other options default and create behavior. Okay, now you see that the distribution page displayed. And next, we'll obtain the OAI canonical IG. Okay, so here next to the click on this three line, and under the security, select the origin access, and the origin access page is displayed. Select the identities legacy tab. Okay, you can choose the value under the origin access identities, and here you can see the Amazon S3 canonical user ID. Okay, so you can double click to highlight. Okay, and copy this canonical user ID. This value we need for the IAM policies in the later task. Okay, so we have created a new origin access identity and our distribution behavior on a CloudFront distribution. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next.